Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix YouTube Premium not downloading videos. So to fix that problem, we are going to see some solutions together. The first one, you have to be sure that you are signed into the Premium account. And to do that, you have just to go to YouTube. After that, click on your picture on the bottom of the screen. After that, as you can see next to my username, there is Premium Member, and also there is Premium Benefits on the top of the screen. But to be more sure, you have to go to Settings. And after that, go to Purchases and Memberships. And be sure that your account is already a Premium account. That's the first thing. The second thing, you have to check the download connection settings. So we have to go to Settings. After that, go to Background and Downloads. And be sure here that Download over Wi-Fi only option is deactivated, because if this option is activated, you can only download content if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, you are using your mobile data, you can't download any video. So if you want to download on Wi-Fi and mobile data, you have to turn off this option. The third thing that you have to check is the storage of your phone. You have to go to Settings. After that, General. After that, go to iPhone Storage. And be sure that you have at least 10 gigabytes or more. So this will give the applications the needed storage to download videos or download any other type of data. And at the same time, it will give the applications the opportunity to work perfectly and normally. Because if your phone is running like low of storage, you will notice that your phone will become like slower, and also the application may crash or lag sometimes. So it's important to check like the storage of your phone. Another thing that you can do is to retry to download the video that you tried to download and you couldn't, because sometimes there is some errors that happened for just few minutes and after that they are solved by themselves. Another thing, you have to check if that problem is happening with every video, because sometimes there is some videos that you cannot download. So it's like totally normal, especially now that there is a new subscription, the Premium Lite, and we still don't know if for the Premium Lite you will have the right to download every video, or you can download some videos and the other videos like you cannot download them like the free plan of YouTube. Another thing you have to check is you have to check how many devices are connected to your YouTube account, because if you connect more than 10 devices, which is the limit of YouTube, some premium features will not work properly for you. So if your YouTube account is opened in more than 10 devices, it's better for you to disconnect your account from some devices if you want to use it on your actual device. And the last thing that you have to do is to be sure that the YouTube application is up to date. So no update needed for the YouTube app, because sometimes when you don't update your apps for a long time, some of them may not work properly for you. So for example, as you can see here in my screen, even though I like do the updates for my applications almost every day, but nowadays most of the apps, they like send new updates for application almost like 2 or 3 times per week. So you have to do the update always. And after that, if still not working, you may need to restart the YouTube app and restart your phone and leave maybe the phone closed for 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, I'm pretty sure that one of these solutions will work for you and you will be able to download videos with your YouTube Premium subscription. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.